You have 3 strips of double-sided adhesive tape, 63C, one of which is a spare. Remove the protective backing from 2 strips. Stick the 2 strips of adhesive tape, 63C, to the highlighted areas on the driver's seat backrest padding, 63B. For greater ease, you can handle the adhesive strips with tweezers. Next, remove the outer protective backing from the 2 adhesive strips, 63C, applied to the backrest padding, 63B. Finally, stick the seat backrest padding, 63B, to the inside of the driver's seat backrest upholstery, 63A. Remove the protective backing from 2 strips of double-sided adhesive tape, 64C. Stick the 2 strips of adhesive tape, 64C, to the highlighted areas on the passenger's seat backrest padding, 64B. For greater ease, you can handle the adhesive strips with tweezers. Next, remove the outer protective backing from the 2 adhesive strips, 64C, applied to the backrest padding, 64B. Finally, stick the seat backrest padding, 64B, to the inside of the passenger's seat backrest upholstery, 64A. Begin assembly by placing one of the seat backrest inner structures, 65A, on the rear of the driver's seat backrest upholstery, 63A, aligning the tabs on the upholstery, 63A, with the highlighted holes in the backrest inner structure, 65A. Secure the backrest inner structure, 65A, to the rear of the upholstery, 63A, with 5 EP screws. Place a headrest inner structure, 65C, on top of the driver's seat backrest upholstery, 63A, aligning the 2 tabs in the upholstery with the highlighted holes in the headrest inner structure, 65C. Secure the headrest inner structure, 65C, to the driver's seat upholstery, 63A, with 2 EP screws. Fit the 4 pivots on one of the seat backrest rear panels, 65E, into the 4 highlighted holes in the back of the driver's seat upholstery, 63A. Fit the pivots on a seat headrest rear panel, 65D, into the highlighted holes on the upper section of the driver's seat upholstery, 63A. Fit one of the seat backrest trim pieces, 65B, into the recess in the front of the backrest. To complete the assembly, repeat the previous 7 steps on the passenger's seat backrest upholstery, 64A, using the corresponding parts and EP screws.